Dear student, in this video lesson I will teach you active and passive voice. As we have already finished our chapter 2, now today we are talking about active voice. What is active voice? When the subject of a sentence performs the verb action, we say that the sentence is an active voice. Some sentences in the active voice have a strong, direct and clear tone. Here are some short and straightforward example of active voice. एक्टिव वॉइस हमारे पास वो होते हैं एक सेंटेंस में जब सब्जेक्ट एक्शन परफॉर्म करती है तो उसको हम एक्टिव वॉइस कहते हैं. सेंटेंस इन द एक्टिव वॉइस हैज़ अ स्ट्रॉन्ग डायरेक्ट एंड क्लियर टोन. उसमें बिल्कुल डायरेक्ट और क्लियर टोन होती है और उसका जो स्ट्रक्चर होता है उसमें हमारे पास फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट आ जाती है, फिर वर्ब होता है एंड फिर ऑब्जेक्ट होता है. एक्टिव वॉइस में हमारे पास सब्जेक्ट ही एक्शन करता है. इफ़ वी लुक एट दीज एग्जाम्पल, monkey adores bananas, the cashier counted the money, the dog chased the squirrel. All these sentences have basic active voice construction. इस सारे सेंटेंस में हमारे पास बुनियादी जो एक्टिव वॉइस की स्ट्रक्चर है वो बताई गई है. सब्जेक्ट, वर्ब एंड ऑब्जेक्ट. हेयर इट इज़ अ सब्जेक्ट, इट इज़ वर्ब एंड ऑब्जेक्ट. द सब्जेक्ट monkey perform the action described by a dog. The subject, the cashier perform the action described by counted. यहाँ ये जो हमारे पास वर्ब है, डोर, काउंटेड, चेस्ड, ये जो सब्जेक्ट हमारे पास है मंकी, कैशियर, द डॉग, ये जो एक्शन कर रहे हैं सब्जेक्ट, तो ये हमारे पास इन ही वर्ब ने उसको डिस्क्राइब किया हुआ है. द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द डॉग, द सब्जेक्ट द डॉग परफॉर्म द एक्शन डिस्क्राइब्ड बाय चेस्ड. पैसिव वॉइस. The passive voice is used when we want to emphasize the action, the verb and the object of a sentence rather than subject. Here our focus is change. We focus on the verb and the object rather than the subject. This means that the subject is either less important than the action itself or that we don't know who or what the subject is. Subject is not important in the passive voice. Our focus is on the verb and the object. Passive voice examples: banana adored by monkey, the money was counted by the cashier, the squirrel was chased by the dog. If we do not write these subjects, still it is correct. Let's take a closer look at the first pair of sentences. Money adores banana and banana are adored by monkeys. The active sentences consist of monkey, subject, verb and object. The passive sentence consists of banana, object, are adored, a form of verb plus the past participle, adored by preposition monkey, subject. Here are some rules that you need to have to be while you are changing the sentence from active voice to passive voice. These rules are very important and it is frequently used. The sentence must have object, transitive verb. If we do not have the object in a sentence, so it could not be changed into passive voice. The places of subject and object are interchanged. When we change the sentence into passive voice, तो हमारे पास subject और object की जगह एक दूसरे के साथ तब्दील हो जाती है. The object shift to the place of subject. ऑब्जेक्ट सब्जेक्ट की जगह आ जाती है एंड द सब्जेक्ट शिफ्ट टू द प्लेस ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट, और सब्जेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट की जगह ली जाती है इन पैसिव फॉर्म. एक्टिव वॉइस, आई राइट अ लेटर. पैसिव वॉइस, अ लेटर इज रिटन बाय मी. थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब, पास्ट पार्टिसिपल, इज ऑलवेज यूज्ड एज अ मेन वर्ब इन अ सेंटेंस ऑफ पैसिव फॉर्म फॉर ऑल द टेंसेस. हमारे पास जितने भी टेंस है पैसिव वॉइस में हम थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब यूज़ करेंगे. एक्टिव वॉइस, ही sang the song. Passive voice, a song is sung by him. Here you can see we use third form of the verb. So in all the tenses In passive voice, you have to use third form of verb. The word by is not always used before subject in passive voice. Sometimes word with or to it etc. may also be used before subject in passive voice. We use by with before subject in passive voice in some cases, but it's not necessary. Sometimes we do not use by, we use the word with or to it etc. may also be used before subject in passive voice. Here are some examples I can show you. The water filled the tube. The water filled the tube. Passive voice, the tube is filled with water. Here we do not use by. He knows me. Here in this sentence, he knows me. I am known to him. Here the change of pronoun. While we change the sentence from active into passive voice, you have to remember these pronoun, how we change it into object. For example, I write a letter. A letter is written by me. So here we change the subject into object. We also change the pronoun. So in a objective cases and a subjective cases, we change the pronoun. I change into me, and we change into us. You change into you. He changed to him. She changed into her. It changed into it. They into them. So lecture is end up with this point. I am giving you a home assignment. Write the whole slides in your neat notebook. Understand the lesson through video lesson. Memorize the rules, structure and definition of active and passive voice. Here you have to write the whole slides in your neat notebook, and you have to understand the lesson from this given lecture, and you need to memorize the structure and these rules because it is frequently used in the active and passive voice. So see you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.